My name is Ted Brandon. I'm the CEO and president of Surgical Support Services located in Phoenix, Arizona. My partnership with UTN helps my students by giving them a hands-on experience, the use of the cadaveric tissue, and my expertise in doing full body perfusions or part body perfusions allows us to train physicians and or students in those modalities. I would recommend UTN over other organizations for whole body donation only because of the organization, the skills that they have, and UTN is wonderful in far as presenting and preserving and taking care of not only the specimens themselves, but the family members that they deal with on the outside. With my experience in donations, whole body donations for medical training, my mentor, Edward B. Dietrich, who is a world-renowned cardiothoracic surgeon, taught me years ago that it's important that we do three things: see one, do one, teach one. Philosophy of see one, do one, teach one gives physicians the opportunity to touch hundreds of future students, especially as medicine is fast changing as it is. By them seeing what correct procedures are, thereby seeing one, doing one, teaching one gives not only the physician, but the students the opportunity to see both the good and the bad and what they should be doing in their practice. And it's going to touch millions of people.